Show you how to make really simple fish chips tartar sauce. So we're going to be using a bit of haddock. If you want to use a bit of cod or any other white fish, whiting, you can even use a bit of hake for this. So got my oil on. I've got my chips sliced and all, so I've just done wee skinny fries. This is going to be really quick. If you're looking at a sort of chunky chip, watch my other videos, triple cooked chips and that. So just going to make the batter, then we're going to make a tartar sauce, and then we're going to fry our chips, fry our fish, and all come together here in about 10 minutes. Okay, so quick up batter. So I'm just using 200 grams plain flour. I've got about 100 grams of corn flour in here, half a teaspoon of baking powder, literally good pinch of salt into your batter. Just going to make a beer batter. So I'm just using, this is my favourite beer anyway, and not that he hasn't given me it for free here to promote it, so use whatever beer you have. I'm just using this Yardsman. So we'll put, say, 330 mils in, put about half in. Right, it's like making a batter mix, so if you add it all in at once, it's going to become quite clumpy. So try not to make a mess of it. So what we're going to do, just add that in. And then probably not going to add all that actually. Okay, just bring that together. Yeah, it's a good consistency there. If you're not too sure about the batter, get like a green bean or something and batter and see how it comes out, but no, I'm happy with that. Right guys, so once you make your batter, we'll just leave that there to rest for a wee minute or two. If you want to make that the day before and put it in the fridge. But right, so tartar sauce, really simple. Gherkins, capers, shallots, mayonnaise, lemon juice. That's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finely dice all this up. If you want to, you can just put it into a wee hand blitzer and blend this here up till it's sort of like, it depends what texture you want, if you want it smooth or chunky. Okay guys, so everything there just sort of, I've just sort of coarsely chopped it up. Literally 2 gherkins, 1 shallot. Don't have to put the shallot in either, I like it. You handful of capers. There's so many different recipes for this. I like this one. So, bit of lemon juice, people have parsley, everything else. I would just literally do it like this. Right, so that's your tartar sauce. So, tartar sauce there, chips there. So, we'll batter our fish first, and we're going to do our chips last. So as I say, I've kept that rustic. You want to go a wee bit thinner on it. That's 100%. Just have a quick taste at it. If it needs a wee bit more acidity, just add a wee bit more lemon juice. Right guys, so as I said, just using a bit of haddock here. So this is from Elmore Fish, Belfast. You're better going to a fishmonger rather than sort of like a supermarket if you can. Or if you're going to a supermarket, buy frozen and let it defrost naturally. So all we're going to do now, really simple. Bit of plain flour in this. All I'm going to do is just make sure it's coated in plain flour. Just hit it in the sides, just take off a wee bit of the excess into your batter. Right guys, I've been using this pot here for a couple of weeks to sort of know what roughly the temperature is. So I want it to about 170, so I've got that under low heat here, like number 3. So literally cover your fish in your batter after your flour. Right, just shake off any excess there. And you're just going to lower it slightly. Now be careful, it's going to be a bit dangerous. Just lower it slightly and nearly push it away from you until it starts to float. Okay, as I say, just be careful with your fingers there. Okay, that's it starting to float. We're just going to let that go now, and we're going to batter our second piece of fish here. So you're going to take a couple of minutes. Okay, so just use a pair of tongs this time, and all you want to do is I just flip this. So literally just turn your fish around just so the bottom of it goes as crispy. We're literally just going to give that a couple of minutes each side. And then, once it's nice and crispy, we're just going to take it out and let it dry here, and we're going to cook our chips. Right guys, so that's the fish done, so literally tongs in. Just take off lid, a wee bit of excess oil drip off first. Just go on a bit of kitchen roll. Right, what we're going to do is just going to let that sit there for 2 minutes. Let all that excess oil dry off, and while we're doing that, we're just literally going to stick our chips in here. Be careful, take as much moisture off here as you can, but still a wee bit of water, so water hits oil, dangerous. So literally stick your chips in. Probably just do these in 2 batches. So the temperature of the oil is going to drop here dramatically, so maybe turn your stove up just a touch. So chips, a couple of minutes. If it takes me a bit longer for chips, I'm just doing a portion at a time here in the fryer. It takes me a bit longer, you can put your fish back in your hot oil again for a wee minute. So maybe just got a wee bit of salt in that. Got a bit of fish here. A bit of that. I'd put a wee bit of table salt here, use a bit of rock salt. You're best using malt vinegar. I don't have any, so I'm just using a wee bit of white wine vinegar. Fish and chips. So, then all we're going to do, guys, is wee skinnies. Piece of fish on top. Wedge of lemon. Tartar sauce. That's